beautiful people. Before y'all get on me, I know it's been a minute, it's been a long time, but I'm here to explain why it's been a minute. So first, I was on spring break, y'all. I needed a break, and honestly, I've been looking like this. So we're about to fix that. It is Tuesday, March 14th, 3/21, and we're currently about to install a V-part wig for the first time. Y'all, cross your fingers, but honestly, I've been looking at videos and stuff, so I think, not even think, this is about to be a bust down, So right now, I just got back from the gym. We're currently in my bathroom on campus. Let me straighten y'all up so I don't like uneven shit. Right now, I just have my hair in this curly bun. It's been like this for like 3 weeks, y'all. No joke. Stiff, dirty, dry, cute, but stiff, dirty, and dry. So I am first gonna wash my hair. As y'all can see, I have my little setup right here. Bear with me, y'all, because there's a lot of water that's gonna be with this, and I have a lot of electronics that I don't want to fuck up. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by showing y'all what I'm going to wash my hair with, my natural hair. Forgot in here. Okay, so poke it a book. Well, poke it. Yeah. Oh, my bad. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I did not get any conditioner. I forgot it, but that's okay because my little traveling thing came with one. So today I'm gonna be using, this is not what I usually wash my hair with, y'all, but we have to improvise because I'm a college student. So I have this Cream of Nature Pure Honey shampoo, and actually I really like this one. Last time I used it on my hair wash, my hair was soft, smells good, all that good stuff. And then I'm just gonna be using this little travel conditioner. This Pantene. I used to use Pantene when I was younger, so we're just gonna do that. I'm not gonna show you guys washing my hair because honestly, washing my hair is a whole process, but I will. And I'll also be using my little dimming brush as well, y'all. So I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, blow dry it, and then come back to y'all when that's done. So let's get into the shower. How my transition. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't miss y'all. Better catch another bite. Apple bottom make you wanna bite. I just wanna. Alright, let me stop. Alright, y'all, I'm out of the shower, as y'all can see. Wash my hair. Ooh, damn. I don't want to get too close, but these, I am gonna let them air dry. Y'all, everybody knows once you get out that shower after doing all of this, you be about to wrap it up. Like, yeah, I'm ready, I'm done. That's all I got out of me. Shit, but we can't stop now. So like I was saying, y'all, this is my hair all natural. My curls are reviving. For y'all that want to know, I do. For the people that are wondering, I do have 3C4A hair. My curls are a little looser because I am like trying to get my curls back from like heat damage and stuff. But yeah, I'm proud of my little journey. because boo, the Dominicans had me fucked up. Like, they really did. They really did. They did me hella fucking dirty, and I had heat damage. I was mad as shit, cause y'all have a lot of freaking beautiful hair. So like, why would you do that? But on to the next part of this video. I do want to do like, I want to use as, wait, how do you say it? I don't really want to use that much heat on my hair for this hairstyle, y'all, because it is only going to be in for a few days. So at first I was going to blow dry all of my hair, but then I was like, wait, I don't really gotta do that. So what I'm only gonna blow dry is like the stuff that's gonna be out, and the rest I'm going to braid up the best that I can. I'm not the best braider. I recently just learned how to braid on the scalp and on myself a little bit. So yeah, this is gonna be like for the girls, because one, we're not even using that much heat on our hair to even do this hairstyle. Okay, we're keeping it very minimal. I got y'all. So to blow dry my hair, I'm going to be using this blow dryer. I just picked up any random blow dryer from the beauty supply store. This kind of like this type of brush. It's like all around. Look how wrinkly my fingers are. That's how you know he was in that shower long. But this type of brush, and if I can, I'm gonna insert the video of why I got this brush, because I seen a girl on TikTok. She was like, blow. Oh shit. I ain't make but oh my god, now my hair is stuck. See, all right, yeah, but what was I saying? Oh yeah, this type of brush, I'm gonna insert the video, because when she was doing it, she was like this, and you really get like, she was twirling it as she was doing it, and you really get like that blow dry look. Then I'm also gonna be using this little heat protectant that I have found also at the beauty supply store. Nothing crazy. I tried to go for one that's like a serum, that way I could get that shine. It's like 2 products in one, a heat protectant and like a little oil to give that shine base. So that's what you should get if you're trying to like save your coins, okay? It's really me doing this whole thing in my robe. All right, fuck it, I don't really care, honestly. But so we're gonna start off by sectioning off my hair. I'm not a professional braider, y'all, so bear with me, but I think I'm gonna do. So right now I'm gonna try to back up. Literally just going in a U part shape to, yeah. Yeah, it really don't gotta be perfect. I'm not going for nothing perfect. I ain't going for that. Hold the fuck up. Oh, do I got? Okay. This should be good. Make sure it's, please make sure it's in the middle, y'all, because I would hate for y'all to go outside over there. Like I was saying, y'all, right now I'm just trying to section out my leave out portion, section off the leave out part. Just try to get it as close to the middle as you can. I think this is pretty much in the middle. And then I'm also, let me twist this up just to get this out the way. Alright, so I did that part. Now, honestly, y'all, I'm looking at videos while I'm doing this. On some really, here in the middle. We learning. I'm learning as we're doing this.
Click a whole Instagram to the pieces in my tutorial.
But why ain't nobody showing braid down on the floor? I hate when motherfuckers don't show me braid down. Fuck, that's the main part. Oh. Alright, so basically we about doing it because they bullshitting. So let me section off this next section right here. That right there. And then same thing on this side. Same thing on that side, y'all. So let me show y'all what we're working with. I'm gonna put some hair back so y'all can see. Alright, so we have a few sections. We have the middle section right here, which is gonna be like the leave out part. This section is the part that I'm about to braid down. And make sure y'all take out y'all edges, cause if you don't, you ain't gonna have none. And that ain't my problem. That was not part of that tutorial. Alright, I'm just take and be realistic. Don't take out no shit you know you don't want out. Cause again, that's also not. And I'm not the best braider, y'all, so bear with me. Gotta braid this way so I can really get in the nitty gritty. And I'm underhand braiding, y'all. Underhand braiding. Alright, so okay, let's start over. Alright, when I get this down, I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all the other side. I mean braiding. Alright, so I kinda got the hang of the braiding. Not really, but if you hear that noise in the background, it's my roommate. So that's one section. And now we're gonna do this side. So again, I'm just gonna start at the top. And y'all, if y'all cannot braid or like even get to the beginning of a braid, I recommend like flat twisting, or honestly you don't even have to do either. You can really just slick your hair back, put a cap down, and call it a day. And you just take more hair as you go. And try not to get confused. And y'all, it might take y'all a few tries, but don't get frustrated with yourself. Just keep going. I'm gonna try to braid it from this way and see what happens. See if it's easier braiding. And honestly, all these braids are not the best. So we got 2 side braids down. Not bad. And y'all, when y'all doing a process like this, just celebrate y'all every step of the way, because I know it could be difficult if you want to give up, but don't give up, girl. Don't give up. First step, 2 braids. All right, now let's get some braids right here and right here.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching, ate it from the back. Niggas feeling gotta play a cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. This be pressed like who you? I get whatever I like. Bitch won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got 2 million for using a mic, bitch. Think about.
Alright, now y'all, I'm gonna just go around the rest of my head and just braid all of them. I'm going to try to start my braid as close to the root as possible. If you can braid on the scalp, just try to braid as close to the start your braid as close to your root as possible, so you could get like that early grip. So that's what I'm just about to do. What I'm talking about. So like y'all see right here at the root of my head, I'm I'm gonna start my sectioning for that braid at the very top. So boom, boom, starting it right here at the root of my head.
That when you tight, she wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass all fat with the waist on sleep. Ginger hair, pretty gon' beat. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feel.
Alright, y'all, I just finished the braid down part. I'll give y'all 360. Nothing extravagant, y'all. So now what I'm about to do is take a few bobby pins and just pin some of these braids up. Same thing to this side. And I'll turn around so y'all can really get the gist of me just. And just like that, y'all. Nothing crazy. This is the wig. Let me get out the camera. This is the wig, y'all. The V-part wig. As y'all can see, it has this right here. I'm just gonna brush this out. This is human hair. I did get this wig off Amazon. If I could find the link, I will link it in my description box, but if I can't, I'm very sorry. It coming up packaged like this. It came in, oh, and this is also 20 inches. 20 inches, came in a pink pack like this. V-part wig, Amazon. So what I am about to do is blow dry my real hair, just the front section. Cue the music. Wait. Oh wait. All right, let's do it again. Cue the music. What the ass blow dry?
Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you.
Yo, I cannot take this seriously. Hey, bitch, what up? What up? Yeah, you bitches ain't want to smoke me and really put out, but it feel like bah, bah, bah. Yeah, I high key want to see what this wig look like blow dried, and we about to find out. So now we're installing Miss Girl. We naming her Miss Girl, okay? It does have clips all around, y'all. So it has clips all around the back, and it has these little elastic bands to help with head size. Where that elastic band just went. Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is what we're working with so far, y'all. But let's see about. So as you can see, it does blend good with like natural hair. Like this is my hair blow dry, y'all, not even straightened. So now going to straighten it. So are y'all seeing the vision? Are y'all seeing the vision so far? Trust the process. And you just want to squeeze like a little tad bit because you don't want your hair like mad greasy. Really focusing on them ends. You want to focus on all parts of your hair. Alright. everything is looking like. Oh, it's this part that's frizzy. Alright. So this is what the hair is looking like right now, y'all. It's not bad for my first time. The only thing is, like, the wig is not naturally straight, so it's like, so this is what the final outcome is. I didn't do any edges yet, y'all, but honestly I don't think it's that bad. Let me do some edges. Let's do some edges. It's like a effortless bedhead type of look. And because not too much is showing, y'all, I'm not gonna get too dramatic with the edges. All right, y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed installing this V-part wig with me. But yes, y'all, like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all want any more hair videos, and y'all should receive them, okay? So yeah, y'all, I am out.